Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video I am going to discuss exercise 15.1 of class 9 chapter probability questions. So let's start with the exercise question, exercise 15.1. So question number 1 is, in a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she played. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So meaning of the question is, batswoman, she had played 30 balls and out of 30, 6 times she hits the boundary. But we have to find the probability she did not hit the boundary. So answer is here. Total balls she played 30 balls. Number of balls in which boundary hit is equal to 6. Number of balls in which boundary not hit, that is the total balls played minus of 6, because on 6 ball she hit the boundary. So 30 minus 6, 24. On 24 balls she did not hit the boundary. Probability she did not hit the boundary. This is the formula probability we have to write here. Favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. We want to calculate the probability number of balls in which she did not hit the boundary, that is 24, and total possible outcomes are 30 here. So 24 upon 30, and we can cancel it by 6, 6 4 is 6 5, it is 4 upon 5, 0.8. Question number 2 is, 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. Number of girls in a family. The total families selected, and all these families have the 2 children. But there are some families, 475 families, they have only 2 girls. 814 families are there, they have one girl. So if there is one girl, the second will be the boy. It means 814 families are there, they have one boy and one girl. In the same way, 211 families are there, they have 0 girls. It means they have both the boys, they have 2 boys. Compute the probability of the family chosen at random having 2 girls. Second part, 1 girl, no girl. Also check whether the sum of these probabilities is 1. So total families are 1500. Number of families having 2 girls, 475. And probability of 2 girls, formula everywhere we have to write like this way: favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. So number of families having 2 girls are 475. So probability of 2 girls, 475 upon 1500. Number of families having 1 girl, that is 814, and total families are 1500. So probability of 1 girl is 814 upon 1500. In place of this, examiner can ask the question, number of families having 1 boy. So if the number of families they have on 1 girl, and the total families observed are 1500. All these 1500 families have the two children. But there are some families they have 1 girl, it means second one is the boy in that family. So he can ask in place of 1 girl, 1 boy. So answer will be the remain same, 814 upon 1500. Next part is number of families having no girl. So it is given in question 211 families. So it means if the number of families they have no girl, it means these families have both the boys. So in place of this, he can ask the question, number of families having both boys, then answer will be the same, 211 families. So probability of no girl is favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes, 211 upon 1500. Now after that we have to check last line of question. It is given that check whether the sum of these probabilities is 1. Now we will find the sum of all these probabilities. So 1475 upon 1500, 814 upon 1500, 211 upon 1500. Now you see the denominator is same, so LCM will be the same, and we can add like this way. So after adding, it is coming 1500. So 1500 upon 1500 cancel out. So answer is coming 1. So it means the sum of all the elementary events, the probability of all the elementary events is equal to 1. So examiner can ask this question in 1 mark question. What is the sum of probabilities of all the elementary events? So answer will be the 1. Question number 3 is, Refer to the example 5 section 14.4 chapter number 14. Find the probability that the student of the class was born in August. So section 14.4 example number 5 is given on page number 247. This is the section 14.4 here. Section 14.4 is here. Graphical representation of data, and this is the example number 5 here. In a particular class section of class 9, 40 students were asked about the months of their birth, and the following graphs were prepared for the data so obtained. So this is the graph. In January month, 3 students born, February 4, March 2, April 2, May 5 students, June, July, August. So what he is asking, find the probability that the student, question is here, find the probability that the student of the class was born in the month of August. Now you see in this table, in the month of August, how many students are born? This bar is in front of the 6. So 6 students born in the month of August, and total number of students are 40. So come to the answer part. Total number of students are 40. Number of students born in August, 6. So probability of student born in August is favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. So 6 upon 40. So when we'll cancel it out, 2 3s are and 2 into 20s. So answer is 3 upon 20 here. Now the last question is question number 4 of this exercise. In this video, I will discuss only question number 1 to 4. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. So outcomes, 3 heads are coming 23 times. We are tossing 3 coins at a time. Simultaneously means at a time. 3 coins we are tossing together. So and 200 times. So in this way, 23 times 3 heads are coming, 72 times 2 heads are coming, 77 times 1 head is coming, and 28 times no head is coming. If the three coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. So 2 heads are coming up 72 times. So total possible outcomes are 200. Number of times 2 heads is coming 72, and probability of 2 heads is favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. So 72 upon 200, that is after simplification it is coming 36 upon 100, and we can write in decimal also 0.36. So this is the answer of this question number 4. In place of this, examiner can ask the question, you see, when the three heads are coming 23 times, 2 heads are coming 72 times. So if 2 heads are coming 72 times, there will be 1 tail. So 1 tail is also coming 72 times. So examiner can ask the probability of 1 tail also. In this way, 1 head, then there are 2 tails. So he can ask the compute the probability of 2 tails also. No heads means no head is coming. So it means all the 3 are the tails, like this way, tail, 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 tail. So like this way, all the 3 tails are coming. How many times? 28 times. So in place of no head, examiner can ask this question, compute the probability of 3 tails. So then answer will be the 28 upon 200. So that's all in this video, and next question I will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.